Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw Peppa Pig as a ballerina. Let's get started. First, let's draw her nose. Next, we'll add her eyes. Now, let's outline her face. On top of her head, let's draw a beautiful crown. Then, I'll draw Peppa Pig's cheerful smile, her rosy cheek, and her hand. She has her arms stretched out, gracefully dancing ballet. Now, let's sketch her body. Next, we'll draw her lovely tutu. And finally, let's add Peppa Pig's little feet. And that's it. We've completed our Peppa Pig ballerina drawing, simple and fun, right? Now, it's time to color. First, I'll use a light pink shade for her face, arms, and legs. Next, I'll color the decorative jewels on her crown red. To make the crown stand out, I'll paint it bright yellow. I'll also color Peppa Pig's ballet shoes yellow. Her tutu and cheeks will be a lovely shade of pink. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Goodbye!